It's MTB time. Back again. I know, right? Sheriff and I are here again. We're gonna do some kayak MTB SLAM. We got the July box for MTB, the mystery tackle box. If you don't know about mystery tackle box, which if you've been living under a rock for like a couple years, it's a monthly subscription. Make sure you go to mysterytacklebox.com or karlshop.com. Awesome stuff. They send you all kinds of lures that you normally would not go buy in a box. Every month you can get one box. You can get a 6-month subscription. You get a monthly thing or a year or whatever, but awesome stuff. So let's see what's in this box.
First we got these Savage Gear Goby tubes, little things. They're salted up, should work good.
It's like the weirdest thing I think I've ever seen in my life. What is this called? The Toad Slash?
Polywog.
The Polywog. This thing looks ultra cool. I think the sheriff's gonna be using that first. You gonna use that first? Yeah. Raw guy.
Koshi bug, and it came with these little mushroom head jigs. So I put those together and see what that does.
0 to 2 foot crankbait. This thing looks sick nasty. I'm gonna put that on mine, I think, but it's made by X Gear. It's a floating one, original. This thing is gonna be by Lucky John. This is gonna look sick. It's a really cool color, but we'll show that a little bit later. That's gonna be cool.
We got the hula popper.
Oh baby, that's mine all day long.
2.0. This one's actually got feathers on the tail instead of a skirt, so that should be pretty cool to see.
And always it comes with what comes in the box, how much the actual lure is, so you can see how much that you're going to be saving.
Or you can see how much that lure you just got stuck in the tree is worth.
Yeah, if you ever want to like snag something from Mystery Tackle Box, you can pick up this card and see how much you just lost.
Yeah.
So come with us. Let's get this slam done. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh. Please don't sink. Please don't sink. Hey, let's go catch some fish. Got him. Second cast. Oh, it's a bluegill. Bluegill on the popper. That's a good size. Damn, that is a big bluegill. God, that's like the biggest bluegill I've ever caught. Oh crap, I got him in the eye. Look at that bluegill. Shit. That's like the biggest bluegill I've ever caught. Look how meaty that thing is. Alright, there's one. I don't know if bluegills count as a slam, but let's see if we can't catch a bass. Second cast. Hey Sheriff, I caught my PB bluegill. What do you think about that? Oh, there's one. That's a bass. That's a bass. Oh, he came off. I didn't set the hook. I like this popper, man. This popper is pretty cool. Absolutely gorgeous this morning. Golly, this is great. Shout out Farmer Jen. Hashtag Farmer Jen. Oh. There's a bunch of bluegills. Ooh, that's a... There we go. On the popper. Oh, Jesus. That's a nice fish. Nice old pounder off the hula popper. Bye-bye. Here, come get this popper before it gets too hot. I was popping it like, I'll pop it twice, let it sit, pop it 3 times, let it sit. Oh shit. That didn't work. Got him. Woo! Woo! First cast with the Ned. Calm down. Calm down, you son of a bitch. Right in the top of the nose, buddy.
Just bouncing that on the bottom.
Yeah, man. He picked it up right away. It's a nice one, dude. Look at that. Nice bass. A little skinny, but we'll take him. That's two. You can have this back now.
Go. And you came back and cashed out. You almost hooked it.
God. Oh.
What was that?
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. That was crazy. I hope the camera got that. I don't even know if that's the way we're supposed to be rigging this thing. We got it Texas rig. Oh, crap. Hold on. Let me get out of your way, Sheriff. Hold on a second. God. Oh, shit. What a rookie move. That was terrible. I know where they are. They're right over there. Get closer. Got him. Oh. Oh, I still have him. Oh, no. Oh, man. Oh, that was cool. Let's not bury that hook. Had another blow up, dude. I don't know if this is the right hook. Yeah. Got him that time. I got him that time. Come here. Yeah, baby. Get out of here. What do you want? Yeah, baby. There we go. Off the most ridiculous looking tube ever, but caught a fish. See you later, buddy. Boop. All right. Man, this is so fun, man. Dude, I'm telling you guys right now, all you YouTube watching freak out fishing people, you know, if you don't go fishing, if you're watching right now, I'm sure you guys like to fish, or you're just friends and family that like to watch us fish and see us have a good time. But I'm telling you what right now, fishing with that guy, the sheriff over there on kayaks, some of the funnest times I've ever had, man. So fun. Got him off the... Dude, that was sick, dude. That was fun. That was a fun bait to fish. Took a couple casts, but I got his ass. Took a couple casts, but I got his ass. What? Took a couple casts, but I got his ass. What? One rod, one reel. No, not the guy. Not the YouTuber. The crankbait.
The cranking stick.
All right. I got two down. Come on, Sheriff. Get your act together.
You need another beer.
What are you talking about? We don't drink beer this early. All right, let's see this ridiculous looking thing. Oh, it does sink. Oh, that was a big hit. This, what's it called? The Wally Pop or whatever? Yeah. What's it called? Got him. Oh, yeah, baby. Dude, he choked it. Double up. Double up. Wow, that is cool. Nice bass. He's a little bit more chunky. That's cool. Hey, double up. Double up. See you. Pollywop, or whatever the hell it's called. Still can't get it right. Dude, that is so fun. Yeah, I threw it like right beside the dock in that shade. And he was nibbling it a couple times. And I finally got him. You know what I was doing? I was just popping it off the bottom. Letting it sit and then popping it off the bottom. Oh, shit. Come on, crankbait. Gosh. Catch me a fish. Tell you one thing, I'm sweating my butt off. My butt's falling off with sweat. I don't know why I can't get anything on this daggone crankbait. You would think they'd be hitting the crankbait. What'd you do today, Roy? Nothing. Sat underneath a dock. Oh man, it's so much cooler out here, or under here. Come on, crankbait. I don't know, maybe I should like work it as a jerkbait. Got him, finally. A little guy. Little guy, little bitty guy. Well, I caught him. And he's gone. Little bitty guy, but we got him. All right, I'm done. I'm done, Sheriff. Roy has completed the MTB SLAM for July. What's up?
Make sure you leave that in there.
There we go. What a day. That was so fun. On the kayaks at the farm with the mystery tackle box SLAM completed. And this time, we both got a fish off of every single thing that came in the box. So that was super cool. I think we got there just in time this morning.
I think if we got there a little earlier, it would have been nice.
It would have been
nicer.
And then we stopped recording and we caught some more fish. So check us out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to see those pictures. They're going to be really cool. What was your favorite lure of the day?
It was either the polywog or the Ned rig.
Make sure you guys comment down below on your favorite Ned rig setup, because the Ned rig today I think was super effective.
This was the Ned rig with this little, I'm not even sure what to call this.
What, the plastic?
Yeah, I know it's a Sakushi something or other, but I'm not even sure what kind of creature that is.
Rewind to the beginning of this video.
Koshi bug. Dances with every twitch.
As soon as we got the kayaks on the water, I knew right away that we were going to have success. It was really, really fun. But as soon as it started heating up a little bit more, and it only took about an hour, and then the sun came out like full force, and it was super hot. I'm still like wet. I'm soaking wet. But again, make sure you guys thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Hit the bell notification to see all our videos when we post them. Comment down below on your favorite Ned rig setup. We truly appreciate you guys watching and subscribing, man. This has been so fun. Probably the best day to date so far this year. I think that was really.
Even though it was 95 degrees.
Alright guys, and deuce.